Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix facial recognition not working on Windows 11 quickly and step-by-step on your Windows, so your Windows Hello can start working again without errors. First, check if your camera is working properly. Open the camera app and make sure your webcam is detected and showing a clear image. If it's not working, the problem is likely your driver or device connection. Next, go to Settings, then Accounts, then Sign In Options, and remove your facial recognition data. After that, restart your computer and set it up again from scratch. Now open Device Manager, expand Cameras, right-click your webcam, and update the driver. If that doesn't work, uninstall the driver and restart your PC so Windows reinstalls it automatically. Also, make sure your Windows is fully updated. Go to Windows Update and install everything available. If it still doesn't work, check Privacy Settings. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Camera, and make sure access is enabled for apps and system components. Finally, restart your PC and try setting up facial recognition again. It should work normally after these fixes. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.